lovelies. So today I'm just doing a video. I had to take my glasses off, sorry. So I'm just doing a video on how I set up my table. I will show a couple of pictures of what it looked like yesterday. So today I just got like this new tablecloth. I got some different napkins to do a setting of 4 because yesterday I just did 2. Thing that I have. So you're more than welcome to switch up your schemes. Fabric round tablecloth. I've got a couple of flower vases. Excuse me. Shoot. Some nice glasses. I've got some appetizer plates. I've got some real white plates, a couple of placemats. And then, you can do whatever color charger you like. I have gold, and then I do have some in silver just because when I saw these, I was like, oh, those are super pretty. But I think we're gonna end up going with gold today. I've got a like silver, I don't know, serving dish. These are going maybe to be my tablecloth napkins. I actually made these out of an old apron somebody gave me, and so I only have 2 of these though, and I did find a pack. I don't know if these are napkins, but this is the only thing that I could find. They didn't have any at Walmart. These were the only ones that I could find anywhere, and they are white, so I may use those. I've got some fake flowers, candles that of course have already been lit because like I said, I did use these yesterday, and some little candle holders, and these are from the Dollar Tree as well. I've got 2 of those, and a like champagne gold table runner. Yesterday I used a sequence one, and then just some leftover like diamond little, I don't even know what these are, plastic little marble diamonds. So this is everything that we are going to be using today. So yeah, just make sure that you keep watching and stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so obviously the first thing that I'm doing here is just removing everything from the table. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm just starting off with this white round tablecloth that I got from Walmart. I think this was only like $10. And so yesterday I didn't have one, so I wanted to go ahead and do something different. And this champagne gold, whatever you want to call it, runner is from the Dollar Tree as well. It was only $1. And as you can see, the placemats, those are, I think like their spring or summer collection. I got 4 of those teal blue ones. And like I said in the video, you guys are more than welcome to switch out your colors, whatever floats your boat. Get my gold chargers put down here, and then I'm going to go next with the larger plates. Those are going to be the dinner plates. Depending on how you plan on serving your guests, if it's buffet style, they'll take those plates with them, followed by the appetizer salad plates. And what do you know, go figure, these glasses are from the Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to list a link of everything, but I swear everything really just came from the Dollar Tree. Tablecloth is from Walmart, and then the white napkins that I'm folding up here, those are from Big Lots. And those were only $5 for a pack of 5. So as you can see, you can just really roll up your napkins however you want to. I do have this gold diamond like ribbon that I had. So, I mean, you can use whatever you like, fold them up however you like. And so, yeah. And lastly, I'm just going in with the table decor. I've got my 2 candles here, as well as the candle holders. And yeah, I mean, you can really just arrange your table however you like, however your guests are going to be seating. I don't know, if you guys have a square table, you can set it up however you like. So yeah, just make your table setting fit for you and for your guests. And one of the other things that I wanted to mention is, if certain things don't fit, this is just why it's good to have extra things on hand, like this vase here. I was able to swap it out to make more room on the serving tray to be able to fit the candles in a better positions. And I definitely recommend real candles just because they set a tone, they set a really nice vibe for the dinner table. So yeah. So this is what the table looks like right now. What is that? So yeah, I say if you have time and you have a steamer, if you want to iron, you could definitely get the wrinkles out of your tablecloth. So this is just what it looks like. I ended up making these into bows. So yeah, let me put this over. I don't know why that's not laying flat, but that's annoying. So yeah. And I do wish that I had two more of these, to set it off and maybe put right here, but I'm loving the table. And quickly, I just wanted to share with you guys, if you want your centerpieces to be higher, you can always use like a candle holder. Like this one I've got from Ross. It's what, $6.99. So let's go ahead and swap it out just so we can see what it looks like with a higher centerpiece. Some people like to be able to talk and interact. So wow, that looks beautiful. Okay, let me take my glasses off again. Alrighty guys, so that is my table decor at home. Super easy, probably less than maybe about $20, but literally look at everything that you get. Please ignore that over there, it kind of came undone. But yeah, so please make sure that you like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.